Hi, welcome back to Motor Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. Today we're going to talk about this F82 M3. If you follow us on social media, Facebook and Instagram, we've already done the G80 M3s, which is just 2 front springs. Oddly enough, the G80 sits slightly higher at the front than they do the rear, so Eibach have just developed a front spring, drop it down. If you're to lower the rear, you're going to have to change the bump stops out. Kit starts getting expensive. But for the M4 G82s, you can run front and rear springs. So this was in the ramps today. We've actually had the car in before. We changed it out the original wheels for Bola. So this now runs the FLP forged Bola wheel in 20-inch front, 21-inch rear in satin black against the red. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I'm a big fan of these. Today fit the Eibach Springs. Yet again, Eibach just doing what they do perfectly. Just dropped it correctly, ride isn't compromised, stops a bit of that sort of boaty feeling. It's going to put the power down better, less sort of kangaroo effect when you're accelerating and braking. Just overall completely finished the look of the car. I haven't got it for very long, customers waiting, so we thought we'd obviously just quickly show you. And then the next vlog, probably after this one or maybe before, depending which order you're watching them in, is we've got a brand new Mark 8 GTI on the ramp for the UK's first remus system on that one as well, GPF back. So that should be a good vlog as well. So let us know what you think of the G82 M4. No comments about the grills, please. It's a little bit boring. Thanks a lot.